Hello guys, in today's video we are going to look at how you can cast your phone screen on your laptop. So as you can see here, this is my laptop screen and I have my phone screen displayed on it, and this may look like a picture, but you can see the mouse pointer moving around. So I'm going to show you how to do this, and you'll see that it's actually a live feed from my phone. Let's get started. So this is my laptop screen. I'm going to go to the App Store on my Windows PC, and we're going to use this simple app that we are only going to install on the laptop. We are not going to install any app on our phone. So we are looking for AN Link. AN Link. We'll search for it, and okay, here it is. And this is how it looks like. It's already on my phone, so there is no option to install anything. I'll just launch it. But if you're now looking for it, you will have to install. It's free on your Windows PC. So this is how it looks like, and this is the icon. So after I have installed it, I'm going to set it up. So it will ask you to select your phone type, and there will be some steps for you to follow. Yeah, the steps. Remember that you would have to activate your phone developer options. Just follow the steps, but then these steps is helping you to set up the app on your phone, on your laptop, and to be able to connect it on your phone. So you're using USB debugging and all that, so you have to follow the steps. Allow USB debugging, but like I said, you would also need to activate developer options on your phone, and to do that there's a video on the channel that explains everything. So after setting it up, this is how it's going to look like. You will have to connect your phone through the USB cord, and this thing appears. You know, on your phone, when you connect, you have to allow a transfer of files. When it's successful, you see this pop up on your screen, transfer files. If you allow transfer files on your phone USB settings, this window pops up to show that it's successful. Now afterwards, you would have to select whether you're going to use a wireless setup or a wired setup. So with the USB debugging, if you're using a USB cable, you're using the wired. But if you want to go to wireless, depending on the type of phone you're using, you can just enable wireless connection. Make sure your phone and the laptop is on the same network. If you're using a higher version of Android 11 Plus, you would have to activate developer options like I mentioned, and you want to check out our video on that. And you will find this information. You will ask you to enter IP address and all that. It is also in your developer options. But if you're using a wired connection, after connecting your USB cord, this is what happens. This is what you see. So you just press OK, and you also press allow on the phone, and you wait for the setup to complete. Now you can switch. This what you see here is like a tutorial. You can just go next, read the instructions. It's a tutorial, but I will let you do that by yourself. So here we are going to we are going to press skip. If you go next, yes, there is more to learn. Yeah, so enable phone audio, enable all that. But we're just going to skip that for now. Here my phone is black, means the screen is off. I turn the screen on, and this is actually my phone. So they're asking me to allow this whole thing. Okay, so I'm going to tap on allow. I can also use the mouse pointer, of course, but I can use my hand to tap on the screen. So what is happening now? Yes, I have to tap allow, and now I can access my phone. Everything on the phone is accessible. I can use the mouse to scroll up and down. I can click, whilst I can also use my phone to do everything. If I go to files, I can look at all the files on my phone here, which means I can transfer files between the phone and the screen easily, the phone and the PC easily. Yes, so that is that. I can also go to my app store if I want to download some app. Anything I want to do now, either my phone, I'll be holding the phone and looking at it on the PC, or I can put the phone somewhere and be operating it with my mouse. I can also delete files actually on my phone right from here. So that's it. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share the video. If you have any tech related question, leave it in the comment section. I'll get to it.